He manahau ki te waiora. Me whakawhētai ki a Ranginui, me whakawhētai ki a Papatuānuku, me whakawhētai ki ngā maunga, ngā awa. Homai he waiora ki a hau. He kai mo te tinana, he kai mo te hinengaro, he kai mo te wairua e. Tihei Mauriora. Salutations to the waters of life. Give thanks to the sky. Give thanks to the earth. Give thanks to the mountains and the rivers. Give to me the waters of life, as food for my mind, as food for my body, and as food for my soul. For water is life. He taonga te wai. Water is a treasure. From molecules to trickling streams to fast-moving rivers, he ukaipo te wai. Water is the vital source of sustenance for all living things. Waiora, life-giving water, sustains us physically, emotionally, and spiritually. Once we understand that protecting the realm of water is safeguarding the future of our children, then we shall understand the true meaning of kaitiakitanga. At Downer, we understand kaitiakitanga of both people and resources. We are the caretakers of New Zealand's water domains, from their source to the tap and everything in between. Downer design, build, maintain and operate water services to over 1 million New Zealanders, from Whangarei to the Bluff, and that comes with great responsibility. The responsibility of gifting clean waterways to our children, mokopuna, our families, whānau, and our communities, hapui. So here's to water, the source of all life, and our responsibility as its guardians. Whakamaua kia tīna, tīna, haumie, huie, taiki e.